everybody to another episode of Renegadesgarage. Today we are working on building this. So, as you guys probably have noticed in the last few videos, I'm working out underneath a carport. Not exactly the most organized, friendly area to work. So, in this video, we're building one of the newest things I bought, which is this. I'll put it up on the screen right now. I'm going to be building a two-sided storage like bucket, not bucket, like storage bin. There we go. Storage bin, rolly cart, bought off Amazon. I'll throw the link in the description of the video if you guys want to go pick one up. I'm going to be using this to throw my nuts and bolts. Because I got different containers of nuts and bolts. I'm going to throw the nuts and bolts in here. My ribs, what's it called? Rib certs. They like nut certs. Sorry, the nut certs. All my different like sandpapers for my my air gun. You know, all the miscellaneous stuff. I have containers all over out on the carport with, so I can get them up off the ground. But actually put it in a actual home. I can just walk inside here, go through which bin I need, grab the nut, washer, bolt, or just said that basically. Grab whatever I need and have a good place to store it. So, I know this video is not directly content of building Jeep right now, but it's still, this is going to help get me more organized for building the Jeep, future projects, just give me a better organization plan, period. And without further ado, I'll set this on time lapse, get this box sitting on the ground, and I'll get it opened up and we'll start going through it. Okay, so in the box comes with the bottom roller already set up here, and then these are all your up and downs. That's where the bins actually hook onto. These are your sides. Then this is gonna be your top. So let me grab some hardware, or grab hardware. Comes with hardware. Let me grab some tools. Looks like I'm mostly just need a screwdriver, I believe. And we'll start putting this thing together. Okay, and just like that, it's now built. See? It's pretty sturdy. I keep shocking myself on it because all the plastic bins being brand new. But I believe this has 90 spots. You can mount 6 stuff. Again, you have to put the link in the video if you guys want to get one. But now, it's time to fill it. So I believe one side is going to be nuts and bolts, and then the other side is going to be like electrical connectors, wires, sandpaper, you know, miscellaneous one side, nuts and bolts on the other. So I'll set the camera back up on time lapse, and I'll start bringing containers in, and we'll start filling it up. Okay, so a few hours later, and it's kind of set up. Got my major nuts and bolts I use right here. Then I have my misalignment spacers right there. I don't really keep that many metric bolts laying around, so that's just like my random assortment. And then these two down here are old factory hardware. Like these are for control arm joints, and these are just random bolts for like from the new frame from pulling the gas tank off and skid plates and everything. So in case I need any old hardware, it's right there. Then this is all like the real small stuff. I usually don't keep that much in the don't usually need that much of smaller hardware. So for right now, it's just all together until I have a better organization of this. And my 15/16 is usually what I usually use the most. So the nuts and bolts of that are in the bigger bins, just because I usually use a lot more of that. At some point, it comes with these little name plates, so we'll go into the fronts. So at some point, I'll go through and actually take actual inventory of everything. But until then, that's just gonna stay right there. Backside right here, it's different hardware right there. Then wire wheels, sanding pads, my air Dremel tools or die grinders and everything right there. My sandpaper and brittle pads for that. Then my different electrical connectors. Then riv nuts. So I mean, there's definitely room to grow, or not grow, but room to like improve. I probably could go with a bigger one, but this was around $200, and I didn't really want to spend more on that at the moment. So for right now, this one's gonna work just fine. So thanks for watching, everybody. I know this is not quite the normal content you guys are tuning into right now, but to give you guys a video out for Wednesday, I figured I'll go ahead and show you guys one of my newest improvements to the workflow here. And then behind here is another improvement I've done. I had this shelf laying around, so I went ahead and put Jeep stuff on there to get it out from the weather from outside. So stay tuned. Got a lot more content coming your way of the Jeep. I actually got the rear axle mostly welded together. I gotta get it underneath the Jeep and kind of start feeling things out for where the coilover is gonna go and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. You'll have a lot more content on that coming up. There's gonna be a lot more welding footage coming up. I bought a set of Billy bars for the Nissan, for I'm gonna put my rooftop tent on. So I'm gonna have an install video of that coming up. That may be this week's video, maybe next week's. I don't know yet. But so just kind of bear with the content right now. I know it's a little bit everywhere. I'm just trying to get I got a lot going on. Trying to get a hang of what content's gonna go where for videos. But I very much appreciate you guys tuning into the videos. I'm glad so many more people are checking this channel out. I love every one of you. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. A lot more Jeep footage coming, a lot more Nissan footage coming. I still got camping to do, still got trail riding videos coming your way. Definitely a lot more fabrication videos coming your way. So, into the next video, check out our friends over at Kingdom Off-Road. They just got done reamping their website. They're getting ready to release a bunch of new recovery equipment, including that kinetic rope that I just uploaded a video on. A full review video is coming up on that. So check it out. And until next time, thanks for watching. Make sure you go work on your projects. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.